Hello everyone, and welcome to Bree's Project Book. If you've been with me a while, you know that I am in my all-purpose room. And my all-purpose room is a area behind my kitchen where I store all kinds of things in these large cabinets. Well, if you're interested on how I store my pillow covers, stay tuned. A few years back, I shared how I stored my pillow covers in this cabinet. This cabinet held all of my seasonal decor. That was my little tchotchkes for spring, summer, fall, and winter. And I stored it in these two cabinets. Well, my pillow covers is behind the cabinet below. And I'm going to show you how I've outgrown the last time you've seen this organization for my pillow covers. So hold your breath. As you can see, we have outgrown it. It is overstuffed to the max. So what we're going to do, I am going to have to figure out another way how to organize these. I even tried to put them back in their bags to make them more manageable. And it just kept growing and growing. Tried to put them inside little boxes like this and fold them up, which I actually like this concept, and I probably will incorporate this into the new updated organization. I'm going to clean all of this out, and it goes all the way back here, guys. If you can see this, it goes all the way back, filled with pillow covers. And some of these pillow covers are not for the inside of the home, they're for the exterior or out in the porch. And we are going to separate those and put those in another area and find out what we have left over that I need to organize. Okay, everyone, here is the cabinet. While it's empty, as you can see, it is a pretty deep cabinet. So this is a great cabinet for some other things that I can store in here. Got a table here. And you can see it's quite a few pillow covers. Here's that box I was telling you about, how I will fold them and roll them up and stack them inside the box. I'm going to incorporate this same technique in the other area once I do my update. But as you can see, all of these pillow covers, I put them inside little plastic bags that they came in to try to manage them. But it was getting out of hand. These are my summer, spring pillow covers here. These are my glam pillow covers. These are the pillow covers that goes outside on the porch. There's a lot of those here. And here are my other glam pillow covers for the lumbar pillows. Now the napkins and things that was also in here is these right here. These do not belong in that cabinet. So now that we have all of our pillow covers out, we're going to go through them, separate them from the interior and exterior. We're going to place the exterior pillow covers elsewhere, and we're going to look at what we have left to organize and store. So I'm going to show you where I keep my pillow inserts. They're in my coat closet. Basically, on the top shelf is where I was storing my decorative pillows, the ones that are not pillow covers. But as you can see, the pillow inserts has taken over. And the reason there are so many here is because I've taken all the exterior pillows from outside and put the pillow inserts in here. So we are going to create another organization for the pillow inserts for interior and exterior. And then we'll have enough room to continue using this upper space for my decorative pillows, because I don't buy many decorative pillows that are not pillow covers. And as you come down, you can see that the decorative pillows has spilled over on the floor or on the bench here because it's not enough room. And it's also more pillow inserts that's on the bench also. So we're going to take care of that. We're going to organize that and put this the way it's supposed to be for the decorative pillows. And we're going to organize the pillows inserts. We're going to organize the pillow covers. So let's get started. So this is what we're going to be using on the pillow inserts. These are a storage compression bags. They're comparable to your space saver bags. You can either vacuum it or roll them up. Since I will be using pillow inserts, I'll be doing the vacuum technique to get them as flat as possible. There are 4 in here. It's a large and medium dual use flat bags. They're airtight, water resistant, reusable, and it protects against insects and mildew. So on the back here, just give you some simple illustrations of how you can do this. We're going to do the pillows inserts. Maybe you can get as many as 3 or so inside the bag to see how big they are. There are 4 in here, and these were purchased at Target for about $19.99. Okay, so there are 2 very large ones in here, and then there's 2 medium ones. Those are the very large ones there. So there's 2 of those, and there's 2 mediums. I didn't know there were various sizes in here. I thought they were all one size. So we'll see how many we can get in here. And I guess that's where you will put the vacuum hose so you can suck out the air. So we're going to go ahead and try this and see how it works. I inserted about 2 pillows in one large bag and 3 pillows in the other large bag. It has a blue line going across the bag. That is the limit of how much you could put in here. So that was pretty simple. So we have a total of 7 pillow inserts in these bags. We have the 2 smaller inserts in the 2 smallest bags. And in one large bag, we have 2 large inserts and a lumbar pillow. And the other large bag, we just have 2 large inserts. And they all fit in here nicely and they look nice and flat. Okay, so now we're going to get started with our pillow covers. So these little stack of pillow covers I'm going to start with, and we're going to fold these up in that technique that I showed you guys before in the box. We're going to use that, but we're going to use this container. This collapsible container was purchased from Amazon several weeks ago. I got 6 for about $39. And let me show you what it looks like. So it comes in 2 parts. You have the bin itself, the collapsible bin, and then you have the nice foundation form or cardboard piece that keeps the form of the bin. So basically you open up this part and you place this cardboard piece inside to keep the form. Now this is a nice size bin, so let me show you what it looks like when it's already been assembled. So this is what it looks like. It's 11.5 by 11.5 and 6.5 inches deep. So it's very spacious and it can store anywhere in on a shelf in your linen closet or in your closet. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take this nice size cubicle with a nice little window so it shows you what's in there. And then we're going to take our pillow covers and we're going to fold them in several folds. So let me show you that technique that I use in the shoebox. So this is the pillow cover. Now of course I could lay the pillow cover inside this container just like this, but I want to take advantage of all this room here, and I know I will be buying more pillow covers so I wanted to get as much storage in that space as much as possible. So we're going to fold them. So we lay out our pillow cover and we will fold it in several folds. So we'll fold it in half, then we'll fold it over again in another half, and then fold it again in another half, and then one more time. And then we're going to place this inside of here, just like that. So it would take some time before I can fill this whole thing in. I'm thinking I could fill at least 2 rows, but maybe 2.5, and then I would be able to store about a good maybe 15 pillow covers in here, maybe. So I'm thinking this is a great way of organizing these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue folding these, and I'm going to put the camera on fast forward so you won't have to see me doing this at actual time. And we're going to see how many pillow covers that we can get in here. Here it is, my friends. You can see I got quite a few pillow covers in here, and I have plenty of room to add more, especially if I pack it in here pretty tight. You see that we have a lot of room there to add more. So what I decided to do is I have 3 of these that I will be using. Of course, I have 3 more just in case I need them. We're going to put all the casual pillow covers here. And then the second one will be our luxe kind of pillow covers, your velvets and your leather. And then the last one will be the glam pillow colors, which be your fur and your bling. Like I said, we have plenty of room here once I squish it back, and we can still put more pillow covers in here as we need it. So I am very pleased. Plus, when we stack these, you can easily see what you have in the windows here, and they stack very nicely for linens such as pillowcases, sheets, towels, even your personal items. Great for crafting supplies, clothing such as t-shirts, socks, underclothing. Great for small space storage. They come in several colors, black and cream. This one is charcoal and black. They also have espresso and several other colors. I will have all the information in the description box below, including the size, and also I have the link to my Amazon store if you're interested in purchasing. Go check out my store and see all the things I have there. And that is all for this video, loves. I hope I've given you some ideas and some tips to store your pillows and pillow covers for your organization project or spring cleaning. If you are interested to find out where I store these beautiful bins and my pillows, stay tuned for the next video. Like what you see? Don't forget to follow me, Breeze Project Book. I'm on Instagram and Facebook. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you would, please subscribe and click the bell twice, and you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And don't forget to search the video library for ideas, tips, and inspiration. And remember, a beautiful and organized home begins one project at a time. See you on the next one. Smooches!